reflection, I'm falling from the skies.
Oh yeah, that looks nice. I got some really beefy pallet wood from a granite countertop shop. This is some really nice heat-treated pallet wood from Brazil. The only problem is it's not very straight. So I made this jig out of scrap wood, and I got a couple of clamps from Amazon to hold the pallet wood in place while I cut it straight. The only problem I have with this jig is it's hard to adjust these clamps, so I'm going to cut down some shims so that I can keep this pallet wood nice and tight while I run it through the table saw. If you're new here and you're wondering what's going on, my name is Jason, and the name of my YouTube channel is called That Hobby, and you just walked into my pallet wood desk series. I'm going to use this homemade jig to square up two sides of this pallet wood post. The best way to get this jig to work is have the bowed side of the pallet wood facing out towards the blade. Now we can use some of those shims to hold this thing down tight. The problem with this clamp is you'd have to use a wrench to adjust it. It's a lot quicker to just throw some shims in here and clamp it down tight. One of the problems with pallet wood is your height's going to vary, so you're going to need to adjust your saw blade. Sometimes you're going to have to raise it up a little bit, and sometimes you're going to have to lower it. Some people don't like to run the saw blade up this high, or even run the saw blade without the guard on it. So this is up to you. If you don't feel comfortable with this, stick with the thinner pallet wood where you can keep the guard on it and you don't ever have to put the blade up this high. Looking at this blade reminds me of the kids I saw out there this morning. They got some skateboards for Christmas, and I was telling them that I wanted a skateboard for Christmas, but my wife wouldn't let me get one because she didn't want me to do anything dangerous. Thought I'd hurt myself on the skateboard or something. So I'll just hang out here in the shop for a while. I hope you all had a good Christmas. Even though I didn't get a skateboard, I did get a new Works blower, and there's a lot of leaves in the yard, so I can't wait to test that thing out. But right now, this is my Christmas present, a little bit of shop time. Alright, well if you're looking for some shop therapy, sit back and relax. I'm going to crank up some tunes and you can watch this jig at work.
Reflection, I'm falling from the skies, losing everything. I never wanted to let you down. No, I never wanted to burn this town. Now I'm walking through the wreck. Oh yeah, what is this? I've become deceiving everyone. No more, no more, no more. Let me be a fighter, fighter. When your back's against that wall, you're walking on a wire, wire. Oh, about to take that fall, I'll be drawing all the fire, fire. No prayer and no way down, baby, let me be a fighter, fighter. By your side, I'm going out. Battle, battle scars. All I have to show, see you in the stars. Along the road to you was giving me every chance, and I always stayed right at your back. Now I'm waking all alone. Oh, and I had all power, control, and I want to show it. No more, no more, no more. Let me be a fighter, fighter. When your back's against that wall, you're walking on a wire, wire. Oh, about to take that fall, I'll be drawing all the fire, fire. No prayer and no way down, baby, let me be a fighter, fighter. By your side, I'm going out. Hey you, next time you see my face, I won't blame you. If you turn the other way, just know I don't know where I'm going, but I know one thing for sure, yeah, I could be so much more. I could be a fighter, fighter. When your back's against that wall, you're walking on a wire, wire. towards that fall. I'll be trying on the fire, fire. No prayer and no way down, baby, let me be a fighter, fighter. By your side, I'm going out.
Oh yeah, look at that. That's nice. If you want to see how this project comes out, you can check out my Pallet Wood Projects playlist to see more videos.